Hello guys, I'm Adriana and today we'll deal with this Xiaomi Redmi that restarts because of humidity. As always, with the help of Leonardo, we are going to learn how to fix these water damages devices. When the client came to our workshop, the device was turned on. Right now, the device doesn't turn on and the charging value is incorrectly. 0.25 amperes charging is a very small and practically indicates the consumption of some component. We won't be long with the disassembly process, so we apply 90 Celsius degrees with the help of the hot air gun and we retire the back cover. Remember that every water damaged device is different and each one needs a different repair method. We observe that the device wasn't opened before. Starting from now, we are looking for humidity signs. The humidity sticker from the bottom part has changed color from white to pink. This means that the device was in contact with liquids. We continue with our disassembly process looking for humidity damages. We extract the motherboard and, as you can see, the other humidity indicator label, it also changed color. Have a look here, this metal sheet has also signs of humidity. We go to the microscope to inspect well the motherboard. I repeat it in all our tutorials. The details are very important. For this reason, you have to invest some money in good microscope. If you are a beginner, first you need to spend about 16 euro in a basic one and then little by little you can buy a binocular or a trinocular microscope. Just thinking that repairing 10 devices at 40 euros or $40 each, you can have in your workshop a lovely microscope. In the description of this tutorial I'll put some purchase link and hope it helps you. After removing the shield, we are going to clean the area using contact cleaner. The repair process of water damages devices is about taking small steps until the device is turning on. The delay time of each repair depends on the experience of each of you. This is achieved over time. The charging connector also has sulfate, so we use a piece of cotton and contact cleaner to clean it. We assemble the device to see if we found a solution. At first view, we have recovered the charging connector and now we have a good load. As we can notice, our Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T is restarting. This fault can be caused by the power and volume button flex cable. One of the buttons is short circuit, so the mobile is restarting. Let's check the power and volume button to see if we found anything. It's very easy to test these buttons. We have to press the button and with the help of the multimeter with continuity mode, we check if we've got a response. After checking all three buttons, particularly this one doesn't work. We must take it apart and check what's wrong. The issue is here, on the sides. Because of the humidity, the four corners present corrosion. To scrape this area, we use a surgical scalpel. Also, we can use a precision file. After removing the oxide, we piece together the button. On the sides, I'll put some adhesive and I'll wait a little bit. We assemble the device. If you wonder what's the price of this repair, let me inform you that we've charged 50 euros for this repair, considering that it's a mid-range Xiaomi device. Finally, we can say that we have managed to repair this Redmi Note 8T. Guys, he is Leonardo. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.